There are many companies around that do advanced composites. What really sets ACE apart from the others in our industry is that we take on projects specifically that require tighter tolerances as well as more requirements from the customers. And over the years we've serviced the auto racing industry, automotive, sporting goods, and then now we are primarily in aerospace aviation.
We've actually machined the whole side of a helicopter fuselage in one of our machines, all in one setup.
With the emergence of the market for unmanned aerial vehicles, we have certainly been on the forefront of that. If you're not on the edge of where the industry is going, you'll quickly get left behind. And with our engineering department and the investments that we've made in equipment, software, and training, we're in a better position to set ourselves apart from those competitors.
We use PowerShape and PowerMill to run 5-axis CNC routers. What we'll use PowerShape for is creating CAD geometries that make the tool do what we need to so that we keep our same surface quality all the way to the edge. PowerMill's 5-axis allows us to trim the edges normal to that surface all the way along the edge, which with composites helps reduce delaminations. We run one shift in CNC, so being able to have a machine running 24 hours instead of 8 is huge for the company. Especially when we have a large part, it's nice to know that we can just run that and turn the lights off and head home and know that when we come in the morning we'll be happy with what we see.
So by being on the leading edge of the composites industry, it's important that we have suppliers and a good supply network of other companies that are also on the leading edge of their industries. The partnership that we do have gives us the support that we need so that we can deliver high quality products to our customers.